Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Exness MT5 for PC in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Then go ahead and search for Google. And on Google, you want to look for and type Exness MT5. From here, you want to click this link, this official link from Exness. Then you should see here the option to download MetaTrader 5. So just click on this and the download should start right over here. As you can see, it's already done. So just click this icon to open its folder. And from here, you can already begin setting it up. So just double click this, click run, agree to this. So next, and there you go. As you can see, it's already installing. It's that easy. Now you know how to download Exness MT5 for PC in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.